In this tutorial we're going to make an action query, and the action query creates an action, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to add three figures together. So it takes our data and does something to it. So we'll create a query in the design view. Once again we're going to use the resort info table, so we'll double click on that to bring it up to our box up the top there. We're finished with that dialog box, so we can close it, and then we'll bring in the fields that are of interest to us. So we'll have the resort name, and we'll double click on that. We'll have the number of lifts, family friendly, Shredder's Paradise, something for everyone, and the total rating. And the total rating here is what we're really interested in. You'll remember we rated these three elements here as a rating out of 5, so we'll simply create a total rating out of 15. To do that, we right click on the total rating field, and we can use to create the formula we can use the build method, and the builder will help us do that, but it can be complicated because generally it brings too much in. Or we can use the zoom method, and we can quite simply type the formula we need. So here we go. We use a semicolon, and we put our we use the brackets like so, and we list the fields that we're interested in adding together. Now syntax is really important. So what I mean by that is the wording and spacing and characters have to be exactly precise, or we will get an error. And we want to add them together. So it's family friendly, sorry, wrong bracket, plus so I have to be aware of characters, whether they're uppercase or lowercase, etc. And hopefully I've done that correct, and we don't get an error. Anyway, there's a mistake right there, look at that. Okay, let's see how we go. So it seems happy at this stage. Now if we run and test our query, let's see what we get. There we go, there's our total rating out of 15. And we can see here that Perisher, Threadbow and Charlotte's Pass are much to my liking, but I don't think I'll be going to sell one this year. Okay, isn't that fantastic? So we can save that now, and we'll call that total rating. Okay.